In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bots on Dola AI account. Now to add bots, you want to first open up your app, and then when you do this, at the bottom you can see you have chats at the bottom left, and then it says discover as the second button. So you want to tap on discover. This used to be called bots, but now it's called discover. So in here you can find your bots you can add to your Dola AI account, okay? So to your chats. Now you can go ahead and scroll down. There's a bunch of different ones. Up top you have featured, you have image recognition, you have like a bunch of different ones like education, games, etc. You can just find the one that you want, or you can search for bots up top, so tap on that, and you can go and, for example, look for, I don't know, book, and it's going to find something regarding that, okay? So whenever you find one that you want to use, you can just tap on it to basically preview it. So if I use this, for example, AI artist over here, I'm going to see what it can do over here. There we go, and I can try a prompt, I can message at the bottom, and that way I can basically test it out. However, you can also tap on the plus button to the far right of your chats or your bots, and as you can see at the bottom left where it says chats, there's now a new notification, which means I've started a chat with this specific bot. You can now tap on it, and from here you can start your conversation, and it's going to be saved in your conversations. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.